Incredible survival gadgets, gear and gadgets you must have. Whether you're an avid outdoor adventurer, a prepper, or just someone who wants to be prepared for any emergency situation, there are countless survival gadgets available on Amazon that can help you stay safe and prepared. From portable water filters to tactical flashlights, there are gadgets that can help you survive in any situation. These gadgets are designed to help you stay alive in the toughest of conditions and to provide you with the tools you need to survive any situation. So, whether you're planning a camping trip or just want to be prepared for an emergency, these survival gadgets are a must-have for anyone who wants to be ready for anything. Swedish Army Fire Steel. So, you're stranded alone, you're wet, you're hungry, and your energy is slowly evaporating. What do you need to do? You need to get help, but in the meantime, you need to build a fire. No matter what the weather, this Swedish Army Fire Steel will help you do just that, instantly creating a spark at 3,000 degrees Celsius, which makes making that fire that much easier. For the amount this costs, it's almost a crime to go up the hills without one. BioLite Camp Stove. It's often said that if you're in a survival situation with a phone that has a signal, you're not really in a survival situation at all. Being able to directly call for help eliminates a whole host of potential scenarios that could result in serious damage to a hiker or camper in trouble, so having a charge in your phone can be imperative. That's where the BioLite Camp Stove comes in. Not only is it a camping stove, but it is also a charger generating power from burning biomass. LiveStraw Personal Water Filter. LiveStraw is an ingenious invention that lets you drink directly from puddles or streams without any of the risks normally associated. The Time Magazine Invention of the Year winner uses a microbiological purification filter and comes at a more than reasonable price as well, so it's accessible not just for the hardcore camper, but for everyone who wants it. Needless to say, this could prove to be a savior if a real survival situation kicks in while you're hiking, or even just provide some quick relief from dehydration while you're on a regular trek. Holtzman's Survival Kit Paracord Grenade. Don't leave home without your Holtzman's Guerrilla Survival 48-in-1 Paracord Grenade Survival Kit, which includes 48 tools and will help protect you and your loved ones. Simply disassemble your survival grenade to find your fire starter, LED flashlight, razor blade, fishing hooks, needle, thread, pocket knife, compass, and more. This ultra-practical, military-grade paracord emergency kit will offer you that much-needed peace of mind, since you will have an easy solution to almost any problem. Zippo Hand Warmer. Know that time your mate who doesn't even smoke bought a Zippo just because he thought it looked cool? Well, he was right, it does look cool, and now you can own one too, for a function that's actually worthwhile. This Zippo hand warming gives off 10 times more heat than a disposable hand warmer, is reusable, doesn't have a flame, and works for up to 12 hours with just one fill. Oh, and you'll look like an absolute boss if you learn how to flick it on properly. Slide this into your pocket and enjoy the outdoors even when it's cold. Leatherman One-Hand Tool. A multi-tool shouldn't be viewed as a knife with a bunch of other stuff attached. In fact, if you're really after a survival knife, you should get one separate to a multi-tool, a straight-edged fixed knife that is far more reliable in crucial situations than one designed to fold away. However, that doesn't mean multi-tools aren't useful. They save a whole lot of space in your bag and can provide all sorts of benefits when you're dealing with the niggles and hassles of camping life. Go Time Gear Live Tent Emergency Survival Shelter. The Go Time Gear Live Tent is a weatherproof two-person tent made from tear and puncture-resistant PET mylar with an interior that reflects 90% of your body heat. You'll stay warm and dry in wind, rain, and snow. Ideal in any backpack, while camping and hiking, or even a car survival kit. Emergency Storm Shelter weighs just 8.7 ounces and packs down fast in a 5.25 x 3.25 stuff sack. Our reusable survival kit allows you to escape the elements in winter weather without weighing you down. Thermal Emergency 2 Tent sets up fast between trees. Weigh it down with rocks or gear for extra stability. Bear Grylls Ultimate Survival Kit. Bear Grylls, a renowned adventurer and survival expert, collaborated with Gerber Gear to create this kit, aiming to provide a range of essential items to increase one's chances of survival in challenging environments. The kit typically includes a variety of tools and gear that address key aspects of survival, such as shelter, water procurement, fire building, signaling, and basic first aid. While the exact contents may vary, a typical Bear Grylls Ultimate Survival Kit might include items like a multi-tool with various functions, a compact knife, a fire starter, an emergency whistle, a signaling mirror, a snare wire, and a small sewing kit, among other things. Each item is chosen for its practicality and versatility in survival situations. For example, the multi-tool can serve multiple purposes, including cutting, opening bottles, and tightening screws. The fire starter is crucial for creating warmth, cooking food, and signaling for rescue. The emergency whistle and signaling mirror are tools for attracting attention in case of danger or when seeking rescue. Autoland Camping Stove Kit. The folding handles on the pot or stove can be folded down to save space. Small in size and portable, all the items in this kitchen set can be stored together in a mesh bag for convenient portability. Enjoy cooking anywhere you go. This awesome cookware kit is designed for anyone who loves camping outdoors with family and friends. It is super portable, so it is much more convenient for camping, hiking, backpacking, picnicking, and other outdoor activities. Power Plus Barracuda LED Solar Wind-Up Torch. A wind-up torch is an essential survival gadget, whether you're looking to survive in a dangerous disaster situation or survive a night by yourself in a cozy tent. When you're looking for what to buy though, you need to look at the details. How much effort goes into charging it, and how much will you get out of that charge? The bad boy above ticks all of the boxes when it comes to those charges. 1 minute of hand cranking gives you an hour of light, with all 3 LEDs, or 80 minutes with just 110 minutes of flashing, and better yet, it's rain-proof and wind-proofs up to an impressive 45 feet. HydroPack Collapsible Bottle. This one isn't a life-saving gadget in itself, but everyone knows that a water bottle is an essential piece of survival gear, and this is one way to make it that much easier to carry. All water packs can be punctured easily and can be a pain to refill. The HydroPack Stash collapsible bottle is super durable and comes in size of up to 1 liter. It'd be ideal to carry it in your backpack just in case something does go wrong with an original water bottle, and you left without a source able to carry water. Flexible bottles get an upgrade. Cat Hook Titanium Hook. This powerful Titanium grappling hook is made from titanium, with 3 sharp prongs that store conveniently inside the waterproof body. The prongs screw into place to create a lightweight grappling tool that can be used for just about anything. It includes a lanyard hole to easily attach to keys, bags, or lanyards. It is a nifty item for hiking and trekking. Outdoors, when you can't reach what you want to pick up when the water grass in the pool floats on the water when you are in danger, can help you quickly and easily. Throw it like darts, pretty cool. Machined from solid titanium, this extremely high-quality product has many uses. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.